Okay, you can check definition of SQL, that is structured query language. From here, it is simply a standard language which is used for accessing and manipulating relational databases. I think we all know what SQL is. A language which is used to manipulate and used to access relational databases is termed as a structured query language. Now let us move to SQL statement. The very first SQL statement is create a database. I think we all know what is meaning of create database statement. It is simply meant to create a new database. So how do we make use of it? We write down create database and database name. Just have a look onto this example. Here you can find example is create database school. That means database name is what? School over here. So it's create database and then database name. Next is what? If we have created a database, so what we do, we simply work upon it, or we simply open this database so that there we can place our tables. For that we make use of use and then database name. Okay, so your database name is what? School. So you can see it is use and then we have written database name as school. So use is school. I think we all have seen this database changed when we run this practically. Okay, now you just see here it is written semicolon is a standard way to end SQL statement. I think we all know it very well that any SQL statement ends with a semicolon symbol, right? Why we end it with a semicolon symbol? I told you all that it simply means what? That my particular SQL statement, it ends here. Okay, so if database is created, so we are not supposed to create it again and again. Instead we need to work upon it, and to work upon a database we make use of this use and then database name statement. Next is what? We create a table. For creating a table we make use of this statement, that is create table, table name, column name with their data types. The very first one is create table, table name, column name 1 space data type 1 comma column name 2 space data type 2, and then so on, how many columns and data types we have, then bracket close semicolon symbol. Let's take an example. Suppose we want to create a table, and suppose table name is learner. Learner table just have 2 columns, that is roll number as well as name. So how do we create it? We will write on, just find the syntax, create table, table name is what? Learner. So create table learner, then small bracket open, column name is what? Column name is roll number. Obviously roll number will be of int type. Last day we read about data types. So roll number will be of int type. You can write down integer or int, they both exactly mean the same. Then comma, second column name is name. So write down name, and name is what? It is a string type. So for string, I think we all know it very well that we make use of varchar. In bracket you can write down any size, bracket close semicolon symbol. So this is the example how do we create a table. I hope these things are clear to you all because we already read it in class 11. Next is what? Show table statement. Now let us check what does this statement mean. Okay, show tables is what? Show table, see from name onwards is clear. Show means what? To display, right? Show means what? To display something. So from here you can find, if you have written show tables, it's not table, it's tables. So if you will write on show tables, it simply will do